Years of production, 1954 to 2024, this upcoming August. Really, the secret sauce to something like the Hercules and its 70 years of continuous military production, longest continuous military production line in the world, comes down to its multi-mission value proposition. And in that multi-mission value proposition, when you look at an aircraft that can do 18 plus missions around the world, that really allows it to meet market demand. What you see on the line here, where you see a combination of C-130Js, C-130J-30s, which is the stretch model, KC-130Js, our tankers, various special mission aircraft. It's being able to meet that market demand that our customers are wanting in terms of the variant of aircraft that best meets their mission needs. And that's really the secret to the resiliency and longevity of this production line over the 70 years of production. When you talk about the modernization that's occurred in the production build cycle, it's really about culture and continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is absolutely within the culture of this production line. And while you may see a shape of an aircraft that very much resembles the shape of the aircraft in 1954, the aircraft in 2024, this J model, these Block 8 aircraft, they are completely different than what came off the line 70 years ago, as you'd expect. When we think through our supply chain and we think through when a customer orders an aircraft to when a customer receives their aircraft, we think of it in terms of a 36-month on average delivery time span. So there's a number of international customers that are on the line right now. There's a number of US government customers that are on the line right now. Currently, you've got HC-130Js, MC-130Js, KC-130Js, the tanker, as I mentioned earlier. In the past, we've had our FAA certified LM-100J on this line. When I think about what we're talking to operators about, the strongest demand we see internationally is for C-130J-30s, the stretch variant of the C-130J, which we think really meets a lot of mission requirements in terms of the extended box size while still having all the great capability in the aircraft. An aircraft that's truly tactical by design. You see behind me on this production line that straight high wing of the aircraft that enables unbelievable performance in the field, regardless of what variant that you purchase of the C-130. We have 10 plus active campaigns around the world with customers that are looking at to buy either additional C-130Js or get into the C-130J family. And we view the future as extremely bright for this production line.